Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and simply delete your Instagram account after the new update available right there. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, tap on your Instagram app. Once the app is open, what you're gonna do, go ahead, tap on your profile icon on below right corner. Then you will tap on this three horizontal line on top, tap on it, and then you will tap on this settings icon and tap on this account center over here, and then you will find this option called personal details, right? Go ahead, tap on that option, and now you will be able to find this account ownership and control. Tap on it and choose this deactivation or deletion option. Go ahead, choose your Instagram account, and now you will see this, it's here in delete account. Go ahead, tap on that one, tap on continue, and choose a reason why you want to go, and tap on this continue option. And now again you will have to tap on this continue option given, and you will have to enter your password that you created while creating your Instagram account right there, and you will tap on this continue option. Then you're good to go. Your account will be deleted right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.